Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. During this time, you'll notice that there are a lot of fruits around, different varieties, and they're in abundance. I do love fruits, and there are ways in which we can have our fruit to make it enjoyable, because after eating so much, you might be just tired of it and you want to do something different. Now I'm going to show you how I do mine. I make sorbet or sherbet, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. Today I'll be making for you a sorbet and a sherbet. And they're actually the same thing, but there's a difference with one. One, you add dairy. The other, you don't. If you'd like to see me do this, then follow me. Now I'll be using a combination of fruits today, and for my sorbet I'll be using honeydew melon along with mango and some mint. Now here we have our melon and mango pieces frozen, and I'll be using some lemon mint for flavor. So let's get ready to make our sorbet. First I'm going to add my mint, and I'm going to add some mango and lemon pieces. And to this I'm going to add some orange syrup. You may just use simple syrup, or you may just add some flavored syrup, and I'm adding orange flavor syrup right here. Now in order to be able to scoop it freely when you freeze it, I'm adding a tablespoon of gelatin, unflavored gelatin. Now it's time to blend. Let's help it along. Take time and blend this, and I'll get right back to you when I'm finished. Now this is about it. It's finished. Now we can take it out. Now it's time to store it until I'm ready to serve it. So I'll be placing it into a container. Let's put it away and freeze it until you're ready to serve. For our next batch, we'll be doing this banana, strawberry, and peach one, and this is more kids friendly. Now I'll be adding some condensed milk, 2 tablespoons. And this dependent on the strawberry, if it is sour or sweet. So you'll taste as you go along. You might have to add some syrup. And to make it smooth to scoop, I'm adding some gelatin. We start blending. When I'm finished, we'll come back. Let's put it away and freeze it until you're ready to serve. Now another beautiful thing about making sorbet, or the sherbet as I said, is that you can store it up to 3 months in your freezer or maybe longer. And in times when the fruit is no longer in season, you will still have fruit in your fridge. And now, especially when you're on a health journey, you don't want to eat ice cream. This is a great substitute, and trust me, it is very smooth and delicious. Now, if you have a food processor, it would be the perfect thing to use. I have a fruit processor, and in my next video I'll be showing you how you use that. Now, using the blender, it's a bit difficult to get out, but the fruit processor makes it easy for you to take out. Now guys, I'm not exaggerating. The combination with the mint and the melon, oh, and the mango was a flavor that I've never tasted before. It was so delicious, and it's smooth like ice cream and almost creamy. Let me tell you, there's no dairy in this one, and especially for those who are on a health journey and you want to just not have dairy or anything too sweet, and you love ice cream, this would be a perfect treat. Very simple, very quick, few ingredients, but a lovely, lovely treat. Listen guys, this was delicious. It was wonderful. I felt like I was having ice cream, but there was no guilt. I was eating fruit, creamy fruit in a bowl. Try it and tell me what you think. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.